Hey guys, you got yourself a steel chainsaw. They're awesome, super reliable, good sturdy chainsaw. Anyways, you come down here. Sometimes what happens, people put it on full choke and they pull it. It'll pop off, and they'll keep pulling it, hoping it will start up. What happens is you end up flooding the carb. There's too much fuel going in, not enough air. It won't fire. You plug up your spark plug with the fuel and the oil mixture. So there's two things you can do. You can get in here with your wrench, your steel wrench, or a spark plug wrench, whatever you got. Get in there, pop it out. You can blow it off. You can use a torch quick for it. That's what I usually do. Other option, guys, I'll show you quick. What you can do in that situation is you can put it up to full run mode, and you pull on it, and you can get going for maybe 10 pulls or something. And hopefully there gets enough air in the system, it kind of dries off the plug a bit, and you can probably get it to fire off. If it doesn't work after you do all that stuff, you probably have a dirty carb. Usually that's what it is. Yeah, that's just an easy way to get them to run if you flood it, guys. Just pull the plug, do a little torch on it, get it cleaned up nice. Maybe do a little bristle brush, clean up the plug a bit, put it back in. You might as well do it anyways. Or you can blow it off. Or you can put it up to open choke all the way, so you get the air in. Let the air get through, probably 10 pulls, 11 pulls, something like that. Get going on it, and then hopefully it'll clear it up a bit, and you'll get your saw going again. But that's usually what I do. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that helps you out.